welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect your Twitter account, your X account to your OASIS Airdrop on your mobile very easily. So what we need to do is we're going to open our OASIS now. So I'm going to go to don't forget you downloaded a Chrome extension on your mobile. So you're going to go to your Chrome here. Once you open your Chrome, it's going to take you to your go to your dashboard on your OASIS and it's going to take you here. So once you are here, what you need to do is you come here, this is a three icon. You click on the credit side here. Once you click on the credit side, it's going to bring you to this place. So you have to click on to this just this is your X. Just click on follow here and you have to verify your status. So you have to bind it. Just click on bind it here. I'm going to click on this and it's going to take you to your Twitter directly. So let's wait for it. Yes, it's taking, you can see. Just click on follow and this is it. Then you're back. So just go back. So it's very easy and fast. So guys, you can see so that one is gone. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, drop a comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.